Welcome to Grelot Oaks in Mobile, Alabama. This beautiful Mitchell home is a 4-bedroom with 2 baths. It's over 1,900 square feet, and I am just in love with the quartz countertops in the kitchen and in the baths. Come on in, let me show you around. The only carpet you'll find in this home is in the bedrooms. All the living square footage has luxury vinyl plank. I love this kitchen. Look at this beautiful quartz countertop. I love the open floor plan. Plus, you have a private backyard. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. A nice size walk-in pantry. See your patio door there? You have a nice covered patio with a private backyard. The primary suite features these tray ceilings. The primary bath is one of my favorites. It's got dual vanities, a soak-in tub, plus a separate shower. You've got your linen closet in the primary bath. And you have this nice size walk-in closet in the primary suite. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919.